What's the meaning of brazen? Brazen. Brazen.
Brazen. Brazen. Brazen means to be bold and without shame, often displaying a lack of respect for rules or conventions. It is used to describe behavior that is impudent, audacious, or forward. When someone acts in a brazen manner, they are behaving in a way that is insensitive to the feelings or opinions of others, and are often seen as being shameless or arrogant. A brazen act can be perceived as either admirable or shocking, depending on the context and the perception of those who witness it. Overall, the term brazen suggests a high degree of confidence and a willingness to take risks, regardless of potential consequences.